Welcome. In this video, we quickly go over the products page and how you could analyze products to find winning products. Products is, we started, so it's quite different than normal product research, normal ads research. I will show you how you can find some winning products and how you could approach it. So the first thing you can do is sort by impressions, by most impressions, which I already have done. And you find the products that have been popular for the most popular overall. This one has the most impressions overall. This only gives you a overall view of things, so it's not over time. And these are quite old products. You can see that from the first ad on 14 April of 2023, which is not a big problem because there are always places you can sell this stuff in. And the older products always have a lot of good visuals, good Facebook ads, good examples for you to actually launch a really good product if it's not saturated in the market yet. So basically here you see all the stores. You can also toggle the active to only see the active stores. And you can see, okay, there are some countries which might still be interesting to sell at. And you always see same languages on top because there's just a lot of drop shipping in those countries. But overall, you can see if there's still anything where you can sell it and where it's not saturated. And that's really important because it's a really nice view to have. Basically, so that's one approach. Just look at the most impressions. There's another approach. Just look at the ads, do your normal ads research, and then analyze the product, and which I show in a different video. And you can use some more filters. The most important ones are the active sellers, the total sellers, the active ads, total ads. If something, for example, this one has 22 active sellers, but it also has 206 total sellers. I know that it's not in this card. If you open it, you can see it. That means that it has been sold by a lot of stores already. If you, for example, say, I want to have 5 active sellers and total sellers around 20 or max 20, you get some results where you have a high percentage of active sellers instead of total sellers. So it has not been sold that much and the chances of being saturated is lower. So that's one thing you can do. Another thing you can do to find less saturated products is you go to the ads running time and you put it 4 months ago. So that means that's the first time this product has been seen. It's been 4 months ago. Then you still keep it filtered on impressions because you see the best of those 4 months, at least in the EU, because impressions are only scraped in the EU. One thing I should also add is, sometimes there are some people that are with one active seller and they sell the product well and then get on top here. That's number one. We want at least 3 EU sellers, so you know it has been sold by different stores and it has been most likely successful by different stores, which will prove the point that it's a winning product and not just a winning campaign or any luck. Oh, I meant to do another filter. So the total sellers, the active sellers, more than 3. So you get all products with more than 3 active sellers and then sorted on impressions and ads from this date. So these are quite new products. You see a lot of fashion because fashion is a fast moving niche. So that's basically it. If you need any special product, you can search on the search term here. You can go to more filters, use a niche if you have a niche store. If you want to find summer dresses, you can find the summer dress with the most impressions by just filling it in here. So it's really good for niche research, for special products, and overall you can do a lot with it. It's just fine-tuning the filters with active sellers, total sellers, active ads, total ads, and ads running time. Be aware that ads running time is the first time the product has been seen, and sometimes a product is popular for more than a year because it got sold on different stores, different places, and there are still a lot of unsaturated markets you can go into. So those are some things that are really good. In the future, we will also take a negative store and negative country filter, so you only get certain products which are not popular in certain countries. But overall, this is just the way you can do product research. It's up to you to create the full strategy for you. But these basically work. You just have to fine tune them for you.